Welcome to the series where I'm going to be documenting how I create a low-code AI agent builder using mainly Next.js and ReactFlow. We'll cover everything from building the front and back end of the application, the integration of the AI services, and deploying the app to the cloud. If you're excited to see how an idea gets developed from a concept to a full application, this series is exactly for you. This project is completely open source, and it's all about showing you how the development process actually works. I invite you to join in, collaborate, or simply follow along and learn something new. In this first video, I want to show you the libraries that are going to be our core building blocks, and also a boilerplate application that I have already created using Next.js that is going to be our canvas on which we're going to build the features of the application using the additional libraries. So here you can see the Next.js page, which is our React framework for the web application. I want to separate the front and back end using different services. So for the back end, I will stick to Express.js and run it with Node.js. And for the front end, as you can probably guess, it's going to be mainly the React application. Besides that, for the components, I'm going to use ShadCN. It has a really nice integration with another tool, which is V0 by Vercel. And this is an AI copilot that helps you build really nice front-end components with just a single prompt and a nice description. In general, this video series will be heavily AI assisted, and I'm going to use a lot of tools that are going to accelerate my coding and development processes. The other framework that I want to show you, which is really crucial, this is the ReactFlow. It's this awesome library that provides those blocks here that are draggable, and they are also connectable. So we can build graphs visually, and then we can extract the graph, and we can, for example, run it as a pipeline. So this is really helpful for us because it's already providing drag and drop functionality, and it's extendable. It's basically everything that we need to build the front end of the application. Last but not least, I want to show you the boilerplate application that I've crafted using ShadCN and Next.js, which is just a simple app that has a sidebar that I took from the ShadCN components. It's already working, and this is going to be our page, our canvas basically, where we're going to integrate ReactFlow library. So for the video today, I'm going to concentrate on a very simple step, which is to get the ReactFlow library running and integrate a simple canvas with two simple blocks that we're going to use in the future videos as building blocks for the next steps. So let's get started. Let's go to the ReactFlow page and let's check out the documentation to see how we can install and integrate the ReactFlow library. So here, if we go on installation, we can see that we can install it using all those package managers. I'm going to stick to Yarn. I'm going to click on the copy button, and then I'm going to create a new terminal here. I'm just going to install the package. While installing, let's check out the documentation. Let's see what are the steps needed to integrate the ReactFlow. So we need to add those two imports, and we should be ready to go. I want to check out a simple example. Let's click on the next page. Here we can see how we can build a flow, and we can learn how to add the canvas, how to add nodes and add edges. Let's just pick the last option, how to add an edge. It's going to provide us with the way to add a canvas, add a couple of nodes, and add connections between them, which are exactly the edges in the graph. If we check out the installation, it's already done, so we can go back. We can just copy this portion of the code, go to my builder page. So here in the Next.js app, on the /builder route, I have this Next.js demo page, which is the default page that I used for the example. I just want to remove everything completely in this case, and I will just copy paste the code from the page. If I click save and go back to the Next.js page, I see one error, which is saying that the hydration failed because the server render HTML didn't match the client. Okay, this is not working. There was an error with the installation. I'm just going to run npm run dev again and wait for it to load. Reload the page, and yep, here it is. If I try to move the canvas, it's already working. and it's very nicely integrated with the page. I set up the layout in a way that everything that's put in the page is exactly positioned into this canvas here. And if we try out hiding the sidebar here, you can see that it's functioning properly. It's expanding with the canvas, so it's integrated quite nicely. If we try adding border here, just to show you how it looks, I'm just gonna say class name, h-full, and then say border red 600, and save it. So you can see that our ReactFlow here is in this nice canvas. So that's it. You can see that the application is already running. It's integrated quite nicely with Next.js, and in the following videos we're going to learn how we can create custom components. We're going to add some logic to them. We're going to make them draggable, movable, connectable, and in addition to this we're going to implement some custom AI code. There are a lot of features that we can work on, and for this I want to invite you to our community. Please reach out if you have some nice ideas. Let me know. I'm going to add them to our Jira board and we're going to build this whole setup together. For now, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Your feedback and ideas are what keeps projects like this moving forward. So if you want to get involved, reach out to me and I will get you integrated into our community. To stay up to date, don't forget to like the video, click the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's build something awesome together.